Oh, look! A treasure chest! You're coming home with us! Just need to open this lock here. Well, she's got a bright career as a locksmith. Wow! It's the fabled rubber chicken of the sea! Ah, and it's about to lay an egg! Worms? Must be the chicken's secret stash. We can make our own. Wrap a tissue around a skewer. Scrunch them up nice and tight. And add some colored polka dots. Now crawl on over to this leaf. 'Cause it's time to boogie. Oh, look, it's an old drawing. Maybe we should fix it up. Let's think outside of the beak. And maybe add a pair of rainbow wings. What's next? Ooh, a flying dinosaur! I wonder if they're part pterodactyl. Aw, you're the best dinos ever. Huh, looks like your ride is here. Now let's see what's next. Green peas? That is one big pea. Wait a second. It's not a pea. It's a giant gummy eye. Yeah, don't squeeze too hard.
Oops.
Unless, of course, you want to give it a bite. Ooh, do they come in hazel? Wow, look at all those bubbles! It's a Bubblesaurus! And he can make them dino-sized! Look, there's bubbles inside bubbles! And watch what a candle can do! Ooh, it looks like it's snack time! But this is no ordinary watermelon. Grapes are nice, but why don't we add some gummy sharks and candy coins? Give it time to settle and get slicing. Oh, it's as blue as the ocean. And it dances just like the waves. So much fun, you might forget to eat it. Up next, a car inside a ball of ice. We could wait for it to thaw out. But let's speed things up. Look, it comes with a balloon. We can use it to make a new ice ball. Add some water beads, too. It's already getting nice and cold. But let's add some color, too. So what's next? Ooh, a soap mold. And there's already soap inside. Ooh, he's a squishy little owl. Just don't get too rough. It's okay. There's plenty more where he came from. This new guy's a teddy bear. and he's ready to wiggle. Oh, nice house of cards. Oh no, don't do that! Dude, that wasn't nice. Ooh, some new toys. Well, that should cheer her up. What? It's a flying unicorn pin. It's like a My Little Transformer. What's next? Cool. It's like bubble wrap that you can pop forever. 3, 2, 2, 4, 1, 4, 4, 1, 3. Oh, I just want to turn it over and pop it again. They even have it in different sizes. Oh, good. There's a small one. You know people will want this on the go. Cool. It's colored just like the Powerpuff Girls. What's she up to? Oh, it's a DIY confetti cannon. It helps you put on glitter in a hurry. Be careful with that soda. Oh, I see where she's going with this. They're like little baby popsicles, and they just pop out. What's next? Things are about to get really squishy. Is it a cloud or a marshmallow? Oh, cool. It brought friends over. Now we can have a party. It's like a 3D sticker. Still kind of an odd fashion statement, though. I need these for my next bath time. Oh, what does this button do? I guess it keeps your hand busy. This is something I'd keep in my pocket. Oh, you just have to match the colors. It's like an easy Rubik's Cube. Ooh, it's like a train. Oh no, be careful if you want to put the colors back. If it gets too hard, just tell people you want it all rainbow colored. Ugh. This doesn't seem very relaxing. See? It's a good thing when buttons don't do anything. Don't squeeze too hard. Ooh, up close, it almost looks like a bunch of little berries. Oh, it's all sparkly. Okay, now, play nice. Oh, look! A dinosaur! It's gonna blow! Do you ever wonder what's inside these things? Wait, don't! Ah! No, don't cut the next one. Cool. More sticky toys. You could even use these to play darts. Yeah, it even cleans up after itself. You can spin this one. Ah, and this one folds. You can give your hands a real workout. Wow, it kind of looks like snakes. Is she gonna curl them up? Now it looks like DNA. Hey, are those magnets? Oh, it's like a make-your-own fidget spinner. You can make your own mini light show and a race. Oh, a little ball's trapped inside. Huh? What's with this girl and scissors? Well, at least the ball's free. It comes with little peas. I see you, Mama Shiba. Silly puppy. Is it long or just really stretchy? Or both? Oh, they're little horse bracelets. Ooh, is she gonna combine the bracelets together? Even better, she's wearing them as rings. Pretty neat stuff. Till next time.